Igama lami uMbekezeli Mbokazi, ngijabulile ukuba ukujoyina le club. Ngiyathemba ukuthi konke kuzohamba kahle. Chicago Fire igama le team. Thank you. Vamos.
Welcome to Extratainment and News Litipi Bafethu.
What a finish! It is the young centre back.
Yes.
Bekezeli Mbokazi.
Given, here's Mbokazi. Let's see who's going to fire one away. Oh, goal! Unbelievable, Mbokazi. But strong challenge.
Mbekezeli Mbokazi, former Orlando Pirates defense sensation, officially joins Chicago Fire on a contract that's set to end on 2029. As much as this is a stepping stone to his career, what does this mean for Orlando Pirates defense? Are they going to survive without their TLB? This remains to be seen. Stay tuned as I give you the latest on entertainment and news on Extratainment, the TP Bafethu. Are here.